Former President Donald Trump in his Sunday address to the Conservative Political Action Conference (CPAC) clearly declared that he would not start a new political party, after some speculation last month that he might. "We're not starting new parties. You know, they kept saying, he's going to start a brand new party," Trump said. "We have the Republican Party. It's going to unite and be stronger than ever before." "I am not starting a new party," Trump continued. "That was fake news. Fake news, no. Wouldn't that be brilliant? Let's start a new party and let's divide our vote so that you can never win." "No, we're not interested in that." Trump then cited his straw poll numbers at CPAC, in which he won by a wide margin. Trump got 55% of the vote in the poll in which he was included, with Florida Governor Ron DeSantis in a distant second place at 21%. In his address, the former president also said that it will be the GOP battling the left after Democrats took the Senate, House and the White House. For the next 4 years, the brave Republicans in this room will be at the heart of the effort to oppose the radical Democrats, the fake news media and their toxic cancel culture, Trump said. "And I want you to know that I am going to continue to fight right by your side. We will do what we have done right from the beginning, which is to win."